Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a language on Roblox using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, but in this tutorial, we're using Google Chrome. And then after that, just go ahead and search for roblox.com and then log in your account. But if you don't have an account, just go ahead and click a sign up and sign up for one, okay? And then after that, just go ahead and scroll down until the bottom page of the Roblox, okay? And then here you can see English or the language section. So you just want to click on the drop down arrow, and then you can see all of the all of the options that you have. So for example, you just want to click Espanol, so just go click on that, then just wait. So as you can see, all of it is now on Spanish. So if you want to change it back to English, just go ahead and click again that button, then click English. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.